behind me with the camera.
No.
Oh, I only see balloons and a... Just that I only see balloons and a banner. Oh my, you took my felicidades?
Huh?
You took my sign down?
No.
Oh,
I bought a new one.
you are just... That is very sweet. Who blew up all the balloons?
Me.
Did you really?
Yeah.
You're always the one that's full of hot air.
6 o'clock this morning.
No, so you were down here doing 6 o'clock?
Uh-huh. 6 o'clock.
Huh?
6 o'clock this morning.
Oh, who's that from?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Oh, how pretty. Oh,
Here's your... I don't know. You want to say hello?
The real one is today.
Good day.